Hey guys, welcome back to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate Google AdSense account. First of all, sign in into the Google AdSense website with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you will be able to see action required kind of thing on the top, or there will be some kind of message that your AdSense account is not activated, reactivate it right now. So simply click on reactivate button, and what will happen, Google AdSense team will require you to resubmit your website's all the information. Once you submit all the information, they will receive your review or the ticket. Once they approve, then your account will be reactivated once again. And to check if your account is reactivated or not, simply click on this gear icon on the bottom left side and click on account, settings, and then account information. And in the account information settings, you will be able to see your account status. Once it's reactivated, it will show you it's open, which means it's activated now. And that's how you can reactivate Google AdSense account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.